Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Toyota Yaris Icon. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol hybrid engine and also includes the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 85 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 10 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 22,000 miles and comes with good service history. This particular colour is called the Pure White and looks in great condition for the age of mileage. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior, and on the Yaris the seats are really comfy and supportive. Then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control and then cruise control there behind the steering wheel on the right hand side, as well as electric mirrors, and then your front window controls there are on the door. For a small hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back with the extra roof height as well. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own cup holder there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Toyota too. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep square boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.